Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. We are today in my personal bathroom and I thought I'm gonna shoot a video where I get unready with you guys, so keep on watching. So I thought I'm gonna share with you guys what I do when I come home from a busy day of work. So the first thing I do is I get into my comfy clothes. I have a pajama top on. I'm about to pull my hair back. I take all my jewelry off. That's a big thing. I love taking my jewelry off when I get home from work. And I love doing a mask. And I also partnered with a brand called HiSmile. I love this brand because I love taking care of my teeth. And that's one thing I really want to mention. It's important to do some kind of dental hygiene every once in a while because I am always in front of clients. I'm on camera. I drink coffee. I drink wine, red wine. So it's really important to do like some sort of like a tooth whitening program. So I'm going to share this with you guys in this video as well. So the first thing I'm going to do is I pulled my hair back and I'm going to brush my teeth. For that, I'm using my HiSmile pink toothpaste and my electric toothbrush. Alright, so I just brushed my teeth, feels so clean, and now my next step is taking my makeup off. Now, I really, honestly, I do it very simple. All I do is I use my Bioderma. I've been using this product for years. It's such a staple in my pro kit and in my personal bathroom. The reason why I love it so much is because it's just so gentle, and it's so gentle around the eyes and never sort of break out from it. So I use this all over my face, and the way how I take it off is with some gauze, and I buy my gauze on Amazon. I'm gonna link it below. My favorite thing, because the reason why I like gauze also is because it almost like exfoliates your skin. So I'm gonna just put some of my Bioderma on my gauze, and I'm gonna go ahead and just take my makeup off. So I just took my makeup off and now I'm gonna do a face mask. But before I put my mask on, I'm gonna just prep really quickly my HiSmile tooth whitening treatment for tonight. So what's really cool, HiSmile just improved their gel formula based on customer feedback. So it has a new active whitening ingredient and a new remineralizing agent. It also has a tighter fitting mouth tray, so it doesn't cause any pain or sensitivity. So it's a 6-day treatment, but for maintenance, you can do it like every 2 weeks, one time. So what I love about this treatment is that it really fits into my busy schedule. I can do it in the evening, like right now I'm, getting unready, I'm taking my makeup off, I'm doing a mask, I'm doing my teeth whitening treatment. So I can really hit 2 birds with 1 stone. So before I put on my HiSmile treatment, I'm going to put on my mask. The one I chose for tonight is by Tatcha. I also really love sheet masks, but now I'm going back to old school masks. I love this one, it's purple. It's a really nice brand. It's a natural brand, it's clean. And I love this particular mask because after I do it for 10 minutes, I feel like my skin is really dewy and glowy. It has a lot of vitamin C in it, and it just gives me like a very beautiful, even complexion. So I just put on my mask. The mask takes about 10 minutes to sink into my skin. Now I'm going to put in my mouth tray from HiSmile, and it also takes 10 minutes, so it's perfect. Okay, so when you open the HiSmile treatment box, you get 3 syringes and you get the mouth tray, which is right in here. And there's a little sticker in there like this. It's a little card with the color of your teeth. So you can see where you start on the first day and where you end up on the 6th day. So 1 syringe is for 2 days. So it's 2 for 6 days. Here's your mouth tray. It's like rubbery in the front, and here's your syringe. It's marked in the back, so you're gonna do a 1/4 on top, a 1/4 on the bottom. The little syringe has like a little top. I'll take that off. And so I'm gonna just put it in here, a 1/4 and a 1/4 in the back. And then I have another treatment left for my next day. All right, guys, so my gel is on the mouth piece right here. It's gonna go into my mouth. I'm putting the light on. I'm gonna set my timer for 10 minutes. I'm gonna let my mask sink in for 10 minutes. And in the meantime, I'm just gonna read on my Kindle or scroll through Instagram. I see you in a minute. All right, I'm done. So the 10 minutes went by so quickly. What I love about this is that it really doesn't hurt my teeth. A lot of these like tooth whitening programs really like make my teeth so sensitive. This one doesn't at all. And sometimes it disencourages me to use them because I don't want to be in pain. All right, so now I'm going to take my mask off and I'm right back with you guys. All right, so my mask is off. My skin feels so good. And now I'm going to do my skincare. Now, the product I've chosen for tonight is Overnight Facial. It's an oil and it's a product by Sarah Chapman. Sarah Chapman is a super famous facialist in London, and I actually was able to get a facial from her a couple of weeks ago, and I'm obsessed with this product. I really love it at night because it really nourishes my skin, and right now it feels kind of dry, so I love using that at night. So nice. It's definitely an oil. And it's definitely a little bit more on the rich side, but remember, it's nighttime, I'm not wearing any makeup, and it really has time to absorb. And then after I put on my oil, I always put a little eye cream. The one I love is by La Mer. And I'm not someone who uses eye cream every single day, but I feel like tonight I had a little extra time and I did my mask. I feel like I'm putting a little bit on right underneath here. And I always put on a lip balm, always at night. I always feel like it gives so much moisture to your lips. The one I'm really loving at the moment is, I can never pronounce the name of this brand, whatever. I'm going to put it in the description box, but it's so nice, this lip balm. Very moisturizing. All right, guys, that is it. It was so much fun getting UnReady with you guys. Don't forget to check out HiSmile. And follow me on Instagram at Monika Blunder. Like my video, subscribe to my channel. It was so much fun doing this video. I see you next time. Bye.